past 10 months of this pandemic has been so devastating and unlike any other point in my career.
Just seeing what this pandemic, what this virus has done to the community that Dimock serves has been heartbreaking.
One of our individual almost died from COVID, and the people that we work with were like family members. I never knew I can pray and cry that hard to God for him, for his recovery,
The amount of infection, the amount of disease, the amount of, terrible health impacts and even death, unfortunately, has been so significant. But I think even beyond that, and I'm also saying this as a doctor in a community health center, right? We see our families and their lives, not just their health, but how their lives are impacted. And so when we see, kids whose education has been interrupted, parents who have lost their livelihood, our clients who live in our long-term care settings, they can't see their family members because everybody's on restriction, lost jobs, closed businesses. It really truly has been devastating. I think that having this COVID-19 vaccine, I cannot wait to be able to offer this to my patients and to my community here at Dimock.
If we want kind of life to be as what we knew, it's going to take a lot of people to get involved and be vaccinated.
I think that it's always easier if you know somebody who's gone through something, who's gone through this. And so hopefully being able to be that inspiration for people who are either on the fence or concerned about the vaccine, to see that I've done it and I'm fine. And and hopefully that will inspire them to want to get the vaccine as well.
We all need to do our part, in trying to end this pandemic. I want to go on vacation.
I think this is just an exciting time, and I think we've waited a really long time for this.
I was just on the phone with my mother before I came. I was like, I'm about to go take the vaccine. She said, I can't wait to take mine too.
I can't wait for my family to be able to have the opportunity to get access to this vaccine as well.
What I've learned through this experience, I hope to be able to share with people, especially those who may have some reservation on taking the vaccination.
I'm really, really glad that I had the opportunity to get this vaccine. I feel really comfortable with the science. I feel like the science has actually been looked at very, very closely. So I feel quite safe in getting this vaccine, and I think it's going to be a terrific tool to fight this pandemic.
I think it's natural to be a little anxious, a little nervous, so I was a little anxious, but I also felt a little bit of a sense of pride.